Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have resumed the India Web Fest 2019, which is the biggest entertainment web conclave, and today we have with us right now after lunch the very special Mr. Nirav Shah, Digital Marketing Head, Syska Group. Welcome, sir. Pleasure talking to you over here. What do you have to say regarding this magnanimous event like the India Web Fest? I mean, there's no such event as such. मैंने तो नहीं सुना सर. आपको क्या लग रहा है इसके बारे में?
अच्छा लगा तभी यहाँ पे है.
Definitely.
So, I think it's a unique event that we are having. Considering the amount of OTT platforms we have today, the need of the hour is that we recognize them as well. So, films and TV shows, etc., have had many award shows where we recognize the talent there. This category was really missing. So it's great to see this kind of initiatives happening where, when we look at the youngsters, the millennials are moving towards these platforms and appreciating the artist and the talent we have there. It's fantastic to be.
सर एक सवाल पूछूंगा, सच बताना सर आप.
Sure.
ये जो पैनल डिस्कशन आप जो करने वाले हो सर,
Right.
इसके लिए प्रिपेयर किया है या फिर एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग टू कम नेचुरल?
For me, it's going to be pretty natural because I'm probably the odd one out. I'm the only brand side, and the rest all are from the OTT platforms. So it'll be interesting to see how the OTT platforms really want to market themselves to brands like ours, because that's the other side of the coin. So one side you're trying to grab more and more users to come and register on the platforms. Two is you need brands to advertise so that you can sustain the platforms and create better content as well. So I think that's where our role comes in play, and would be fantastic to hear out my fellow panelists on what they have to say on that.
Sir, web space has developed like no other space in the last few years. I mean, it's giving, I think in the last 2 or 3 years, it is already in a position where it's giving competition to movies and television.
Absolutely.
So, आपको क्या लगता है कि these three parallels, they'll go hand in hand, or will one try to be dishum against the other? कि यार नहीं इसको आगे करके हम जाएंगे, नहीं उसको आगे करके वो जाएगा, ऐसा कुछ होगा या फिर all three will have its own audience?
I think it's more like Amar Akbar Anthony.
Yes, sir.
So
Yeah,
I think all the three have to be there. So content is something which youth and everybody loves to absorb. So I don't watch TV all the time, but I do also like to watch certain episodes on TV, certain episodes on different web, and certain which is film based. So my entertainment zone is divided depending on what kind of content comes well. So I'm sure all are here to stay. So
Absolutely, sir. So अभी क्या देख रहे हो सर आप OTT में?
the last one was Sacred Games for sure, which really came out recently.
So
And
which one did you like more, the first one or the second one?
it's like a movie, when the first one comes, the charm is there.
Yeah.
Then you kind of start
धीरे धीरे गिर
predicting.
जाता है वो.
Girta nahi, but you kind of predict what's going to be next. So I think it really tells you the story a little bit more. But it's an interesting take. I feel it's come out really well. And of course, you have some of the best actors in that. So Nawazuddin, Saif Ali Khan, whatever. Fantastic.
Pleasure talking to you.
Same here. Thank you so much.
Thank you
Look
so
forward
much.
to
Looking forward to your session. Thank you so much.